Today, Beau knows dinner. It can't be delicious and nutritious, but HelloFresh say it can. So I'm going undercover to investigate. I'm going to see if I can infiltrate Bondi lifeguard legend Hoppo's crew dinner. Gotcha. This should help me get through the front door.
Hey, Jeff, have a look at this bloke. Mate, unbelievable.
Oh, my fellow lifeguards.
Hey, can I get you a towel, mate?
Oh, come on, fellas, just trying to be part of the lifeguard family. You know what we are like, us lifeguards.
All good?
Wow, look at all these fresh ingredients. We lifeguards love our nutrition, don't we, boys? What does HelloFresh have to do with that?
Well, we're all different. Yeah, well, I'm into the vegetarian.
Mate, you had a steak yesterday.
Yeah, but that was yesterday, and today I'm a veggie. And the halloumi and charcoal capsicum burger, you cannot beat it.
I'm into the low carb. They replace stuff like potatoes with veggies.
Potatoes are a veggie, mate.
Yeah, but they're dense.
You're dense.
Yeah, that's why I'm into the low carb.
See, that's all well and good, but what happens if you don't want any of those?
It's easy to swap out any meal, so you always get what you want.
But it looks too tasty to be nutritious.
You right there, Goldilocks?
Yeah, it all checks out.
Yeah, well, let's get to cooking then.
Yeah. Is he staying?
I don't know.
Nice chop, Hop. Nice hop.
And you just schwooze it.
Yeah. They smell so good. Now, for the moment of truth.
You okay?
Yes. This is unreal. I couldn't believe how hungry I was. Thanks for coming to the rescue, guys.
That's what we do. Oh, take a walk, mate.
Oh, Hop.
I know, it's hard to believe, but the rumours are true. Everyday people are making every day delicious and nutritious, thanks to HelloFresh. What do you reckon, mate? You barely touch your food, what's wrong with you? Don't worry, I've got plenty for you, bro. Let's go to work. Visit hellofresh.com.au.